So if there's one thing that most of you have done in the past 1 year, it will be, yes, work from home. And what do we always say at TechVisor? That if you're doing something frequently, make sure you do it effectively. So how do you make your work from home effective? Well, why not ask the Team TechVisor? So I asked the Team TechVisor to record a video and send it here. Now, the video quality might not be that good, but the content definitely is. Some of them turn out to be really good, and I bet after watching this video, you are gonna order few of those gadgets as well. So let's check out the favorite work from home gadget from Team TechVisor.
Hey there, I'm Vaibhav, and when I'm not playing typing games with my keyboard, you'll find me play with words at techvisor.com. My favorite work from home gadget? Well, it's a power bank specially made for routers. Let me show it to you.
So in a traditional home, if the power goes down, the router also stops. But with this gadget, even if the power goes away, the internet still works. In simple words, it's a power bank, but unlike a regular power bank. It comes with a built-in cable that fits most of the router or modem in India. The backup can easily last 2 hours, and I will recommend this to every student and professional who are working from home and face frequent power failures.
Well, if you're wondering if internet still works during power cuts, yes. There's a power cut in your society and not at this internet service provider's end. Now let's see what other Team TW members have to say.
Let me tell the biggest secret of videography. Lights. Every camera needs a lot of lights. I'm Kaushik, by the way, and I make sure Mrinal and Pratik look good on camera. So of course, my favorite work from home gadget also has to be lights. To give you an example, this is how Mrinal looks during SNL using the MacBook camera. This is how he looks after bouncing the studio lights to the wall. Now, obviously, for most of you, studio lights are overkill. I bought one of these cheap USB night lamps from Amazon, and when I have to go for a meeting, I plug them in the computer, reflect the light to the wall, and you get the best video footage, even from the shittiest laptop camera. So now that you know how to look presentable on video calls, let's see what others have to say.
What up my bitches, it's your boy Vamsi again with another trick up my sleeve, because some of you do really like me and I know some of you don't, but that's okay. I'm a man of love. What? Anyway, today's trick is about something that has to do with working from home, which is Type-C to Ethernet port, because I've been working a lot from home for the past 1.5 years and I do have a lot of Teams meetings, and it really annoys me when my brother or nephew starts using Wi-Fi and it really starts to lag. So my favorite work from home gadget is the small Type-C to Ethernet adapter. It basically lets you use your Ethernet on your MacBook, which only has Type-C slots. I saw Mrinal using it the other day on one of his Saturday live streams, and the quality did improve a lot when he used it for his MacBook instead of his smartphone. But what I didn't know is that they also work on your smartphones right out of the box. So if you have an important video call to take on your smartphone, but the Wi-Fi network isn't that great, you can connect your Ethernet cable using this dongle. Take a look at the speed difference. Isn't that amazing? Now, I know everyone hates cable, trust me, I do too, but when you have an important meeting and someone starts using Wi-Fi in your house or you have a weak signal, Ethernet cable can really come in clutch and help you without, having to cause blunders in that meeting and look like an idiot. Moving on.
Well, I'm sure we'll see a lot of cool work from home gadgets in this video, but I'm here to show you something different. I'm Kaushal, by the way, and when I'm not arguing with people on Twitter, I'm usually creating awesome articles for our website, techvisor.com. So my work from home gadget is not really a gadget, but a cheap webcam slider. Now, like Zuckerberg, you can also put a tape on your webcam, but you have to put it on and off every time you want to do video calls. So I use this cheap webcam slider to cover my webcam, and when I want to do meetings, I can just slide it open and close whenever I want. It comes super handy when you want to use your computer in your bedroom during work from home, or if you have a habit of accidentally leaving your webcam on during video calls. Now, Apple advises you to not use these webcam sliders with your MacBook Pros because they have such low tolerances that your glass might break if you close the lid too tightly. But I've been using it for years and I've had no problems whatsoever. Plus they cost less than $100, so make sure you buy a couple of these in case you lose.
So this is your Pratik self-quarantine Rai, and for the first time I get to see rest of the Team TW gadgets along with you guys when this video drops. So anyways, my favorite work from home gadget has to be this sound card that I use during the SNL. So I have a 3.5mm headphones and I also have a 3.5mm mic which is on the camera right now and it's turned on. Thank God it wasn't the first time. but laptops usually have one 3.5mm port. So an easy way would be to buy a headphone jack splitter, but oh my god, splitters are a whole distinct topic for some another day. So a good way is to get a sound card which would cost you around 600 rupees, but you get to use two headphones and a 3.5mm mic simultaneously. And you also get a volume control knob and the option to mute your headphone or mic, etc, etc. So if you're looking to quick hack your streaming setup, a sound card is a good investment. And another good investment is two masks. So whenever you step outside, double up on the mask. See ya.
And the guy who's always first to see the video before it gets published. And since I've worked with a lot of 4K footages, my favorite work from home gadget is cheap Wi-Fi 6 router from TP-Link.
Wi-Fi 6 router are quite new, and unless you are advanced user, you still don't need it for a few years. However, few benefits of using Wi-Fi 6 router is better download and upload speed, especially if you have a lot of devices connected to Wi-Fi. And you also get good battery life on your smartphone with Wi-Fi 6. So that was something new to me. Either way, it's a futuristic thing. Okay, so my favorite work from home gadget, which you might have seen in past few videos but never noticed, is this height adjustable table. So what I like about this table is when I'm giving a face shot while standing up, I can simply press this button to raise the height. But once I'm done and we have to take montages, then it's difficult to take top-down shots on this height. So again, we press a button and the height goes down. Overall, it's a heavy-duty electric table which works both as a standing and sitting desk. This way, during work from home, you can increase your productivity without stressing on your back or posture. Although it's a bit expensive and definitely not for everyone. However, if you can afford it, definitely go for it. It's one of the best purchases we have made in the studio. On that note, that was Team TechWiser's favorite work from home gadget. I really like the router power bank, which I personally use as well. And overall, what I like about this list is all the items are cheap except this table, and yet it offers high price to reward ratio. Now tell me which is your favorite one in the comment section below, and if you are gonna buy any of these. As always, it's Mrinal signing off, or better even, Team TechWiser signing off. We will catch you in the next one.